Hello everyone. In the previous class, I had shared a video and a PDF on gender. Now in this video, I'll explain it. I'll also explain how to change nouns from masculine to feminine gender. So let's begin. The first question arises, what is gender? Gender is a category of nouns. It tells us whether a noun is a male, female or non-living. So there are four kinds of gender. The first is masculine gender. A noun is said to be of masculine gender if it refers to a male. For example, boy. Boy refers to a male. Similarly, man, lion, etc. So these words are examples of masculine nouns. The second is feminine gender. A noun is said to be of feminine gender if it refers to a female. For example, girl. Girl refers to a female. Similarly, woman, lioness. These words are examples of feminine gender. Now the next is common gender. A noun which can be a male or female is said to be of common gender. For example, teacher. Teacher can be a male or female. If a teacher is male, then you say sir. If a teacher is female, then you can say ma'am. Similarly, student, doctor, etc. are examples of common gender. The last is neuter gender. A noun which refers to a non-living thing or plant is said to be of neuter gender. So it is neither male nor female. For example, book, pen, wall, etc. These are non-living things. So these are examples of neuter gender. Now we will discuss how to change masculine nouns into feminine nouns. There are some words that are completely different for masculine and feminine genders. For example, if you see the table, the feminine gender of father is mother. These are two completely different words. Similarly, brother, sister, son, daughter, these are completely different words. You can see the other examples. Some animals also have completely different words for masculine and feminine genders. For example, the masculine of cow is bull. So bull and cow, these two are completely different words. You should see the other examples too. We often means mostly add ess to the word to change it from masculine to feminine gender. For example, lion is a masculine gender. If we add ess to it, it becomes lioness, lioness, which is a feminine noun. Similarly, you can see the other examples too. In some cases, we need to change the spelling of the word before adding ess to it. For example, tiger is a masculine noun. If we want to change it into feminine noun, then we have to remove e from it and then add ess. Then it becomes tigress, tigress, which is a feminine noun. Similarly, actor becomes actress, waiter becomes waitress, and so on. However, For the words denoting profession such as actor, waiter, we no longer have to use the suffix ess. By the way, suffix is a letter or a group of letters which is added to the right side of a word to make a new word. So, for the words denoting profession such as actor or waiter, we no longer have to use the suffix ess for changing them into feminine nouns. Means earlier we used to use this suffix, but now we may not use it. We may use the same word as actor or waiter for both masculine and feminine genders. In some cases, we can change from masculine to feminine gender by changing a part of the word. For example, policeman is a masculine noun. If we change the part man to woman, it becomes policewoman, which is a feminine noun. In the same way, landlord becomes landlady, grandfather becomes grandmother, and peacock becomes peahen. Now see this question. Here you have to write M for masculine nouns and F for feminine nouns in the given space. For example, number 1 is uncle. So which noun is uncle? It is masculine noun. Since it refers to a male, so it is a masculine noun. So M is written here. So like this you have to do. Now the next question is, circle the words that belong to the common gender. As you know, a noun which can be a male or female belongs to common gender. In number 1, the first word is sister. Since sister refers to a female, so it belongs to feminine gender. The next is brother. Since brother refers to a male, so it belongs to masculine gender. Now the next word is child. So child can be a male or female, so it belongs to common gender, and this is what is circled. So I hope you will do these two questions. This is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening, and God bless you all.